Hey guys, welcome to Code and Create, and check this beautiful web page that I have created with Claude. And in this video, I'll be showing you how I built this beautiful web page. I know it's just a single page, but it still looks very good, the typography and all this. So I'll be showing you how I created this single web page with help of AI. It's very simple. I created this whole thing in around 10 to 15 minutes. It was very easy, and I will show you how to do it. It is a very, I know it's a very basic website. It doesn't have those images and all those things, but still, it looks pretty good. The typography and the text and all that, this is being done by AI, and you can check it out. There's different links, different sections, and all this has been created with this AI. You can check the contact form. Yeah. So it looks very good. So I'll be showing you in this tutorial how to make a website with AI, and it all starts with Claude. So you can see this is the prompt that I give, and I know this web page was actually not in my plan. I was just taking the ability of this AI tool Claude. So I just wrote there, build me a homepage for a fashion designer, and it did all those things. It created the hero section with animated grand line and philosophy section. All these things it did it by itself, and then it just gave me the code for the home page, which is an HTML code which has the CSS and JavaScript, which I will be showing you later in this video. The code of the web page. So in this AI, it's amazing thing. You can do a lot of things with it, and you just need to have a little knowledge about. You just need to have a little. You just need to be a little technical, and that's all. So now I will open this the code that the Claude gave me. I'll open this to you guys to see. I will, yeah, so you can check this. Okay. I will tell you guys a little about coding here. So this is actually, I think this is just a simple web page. So the Claude, what it did was it gave me all the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript in a single file. Usually with a big web page, it gives that a separate file. It gives HTML, the CSS, and JavaScript as a separate file. But since this was you know uh, a single web page, a simple web page, so it gave me all the the code for the home page. So you can see here the body heading there. So everything included in this body is actually HTML. So I copied everything that was included in the body and pasted it in the back WordPress, which is the content management system. And similarly, the CSS, I also pasted that in the WordPress and the JavaScript, and the website was created. And I will take you to there. So what I did was that I separately copied the HTML from this code, the CSS from this code, and the JavaScript. And you need to have a little knowledge, just to identify the CSS in the code, the JavaScript, and the HTML, so you can paste that in the content management system, the WordPress. And yeah, so this is the WordPress, the admin panel of the WordPress. So here, first of all, I will show you where I added the HTML. I copied the HTML from the code, source code, and I pasted here in the code editor in the WordPress. Uh, so this is all the HTML code here. I pasted it here. Now here I will show you where I pasted the CSS of the for the home page. And CSS is basically for styling of the page. HTML is just text where you can write text, and CSS is for the styling. So I pasted it in the styles section of the uh, the appearance, right? You can easily access there from the this panel, admin panel. Now for the JavaScript, I use a plugin called CSS in JavaScript, and I just click add JS code, and here I pasted the JavaScript code which I copied from the source code, and as I pasted it here, in the front end, the website it gets created. So that's all. It's a simple thing. You give a prompt to Claude, they give you code, you copy that from there, and you paste it in the respective sections. It's very easy. Yeah, and right now I will show you the mobile version of the web page, how you can see the web page in the mobile using this Elementor plugin. So now I will show you how you can see this web page in mobile. You can see as this is the animation, the arrow animation here. Yeah, so this is how the website looks in mobile. If you open the website from mobile, and this is how it will look. And it also, the tool is so in itself so powerful that not only it creates the web page for the desktop, but it will also arrange the page for the mobile. So the menu section, it's the navigation menu is not accessible from mobile. So it creates a menu button, and this button works. I mean, if you access the website from mobile, it works. You click it, and you get all those collection and appointments button, and which similar is for the inquiry form. It works in mobile. So it's amazing thing that you could do with this Claude. Yeah, so that's it, guys. This is the mobile version, and that is amazing. So you see, this tool is very powerful, and you can do amazing things with this, and really helpful tool. So this is it, guys. This is how you can easily create the website using Claude. I mean, if you have just a little knowledge of code, you can you can identify the individual JavaScript and CSS and HTML code. You can just create a website. I will show you the arrow animation. You see, it also created this arrow animation. You open this website, so you will have this arrow animation. So guys, that's it. Yeah, and one thing I will mention you here is this website. I created this website with by generating code and then pasting that in the WordPress content management system. But what you can also do is you can use Claude to generate the website for you entirely by Elementor widgets. And in that case, you don't need any code. So we'll be exploring that in the coming videos. This AI has a lot of capabilities, a lot of things you could do with it. So I'll be exploring that in the coming videos. And I will also show you in a coming video how I did this step by step, so you can have in-depth understanding of this.